Looking for a budget phone that lasts years? Samsung just launched the Galaxy A26 in the US today, a $300 stunner with a 6.7-inch 120Hz display and a Dimensity 6020 chip. It's trending for its insane 6-year software update promise. Stick around to see why this budget beast is stealing the spotlight. What's good, tech fam? Welcome back to GadInsider. It's April 2025 and Samsung's shaking up the budget phone game with the Galaxy A26, launched today for just $300. Rocking a 6.7-inch 120Hz AMOLED, a MediaTek Dimensity 6020 chip, and a promise of 6 years of software updates, it's got ex-users and reviewers buzzing. Let's dive into why this phone's a steal for budget-savvy shoppers. So, what's the vibe? The Samsung Galaxy A26 is a budget champ with a 6.7-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED display at a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering vibrant colors and silky smooth animations for gaming or streaming. Think Fortnite or Netflix in crisp clarity. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6020 chip with 6GB or 8GB RAM and up to 256GB storage, expandable via microSD up to 2TB, it handles multitasking and light gaming with ease, though it's not chasing flagship speeds. 5000 mAh battery lasts up to 2 days and supports 25-watt fast charging. Its 50MP main camera with OIS, 8MP ultrawide, and 2MP macro lens captures solid shots paired with a 13MP selfie cam. Running Android 15 with One UI 7, it's got IP67 water resistance, Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, and Circle to Search AI. The kicker? Samsung's promising 6 years of OS and security updates, support until 2031. Why is this trending? Expos are lighting up, with fans calling the A26 a premium feel at a budget price. That 6-year update promise is huge. Most $300 phones get 2 or 3 years, but this one's guaranteed Android 21 and security patches through 2031, outlasting even some flagships. The Dimensity 6020 offers 5G and solid performance for the price, though it's a step behind the Exynos 1380 and the $400 Galaxy A36. The 120Hz AMOLED pops against rivals like the Moto G powered 2025, and IP67 adds durability rare in this range. Sources note strong pre-order buzz with deals like $150 trade-in discounts or half-off Galaxy Buds FE. At $300, it's a budget phone built to last. Perfect for students or anyone wanting value. Alright, let's get you in on this. Picture the Galaxy A26 in your pocket. What's your vibe? Streaming Stranger Things on that 120Hz AMOLED, snapping steady concert pictures with a 50MP camera, or keeping it fresh with updates until 2031? Drop your dream A26 moment in the comments.